So you've been battling pretty much a bad knee for a long
So
time.
I had this thing every time I said the weather's changing, my knee hurt. Well, it got to the point where it was hurt all the time. In the last 2 years, it had hurt constantly. And then, like I said, I referee basketball, so that winter, getting through the season was agony. I just was chewing down pain pills.
Okay.
I had prescription pain pills. And
So then you decided you came to the clinic. You had one of our regenerative medicine injections in your knee.
right.
It's been roughly how long since you had the injection?
Had the injection last May, so it's been 10 months.
Yeah. And how's your knee doing now?
Great. Really good. But I had an arthritic knee.
Yeah. So you had arthritis or it was degenerating, but you didn't have torn ligaments. Or anything like that.
No,
Okay.
right. But it just, all I know, whatever it was like extremely painful.
And then how much do you feel your knees improved, like 0 to 100% since going through the injection?
95%.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
how has it been with the activities like with refereeing basketball? How's your knee held up?
like I said, I can do 2 games, not a problem. I am completely, at the end of the second game, I have 0 pain in it.
Anything else?
Nope. I'm just really happy with it. I know the one thing you guys can't answer, how long does it last? That's really the thing going forward. I'm going to be very curious about.
Yeah. But you're almost at a year doing pretty good.
Yeah, great.
Pretty close.
I guess one other thing I would say, when you do some really extreme activity, if it does get sore, it seems like it recovers faster. I think that would help.
It doesn't stay as a lingering problem.
No, not at all. No. So I'm happy about that.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.